In this modern world, almost every digital action is supported by some sort of program or coding, which requires programming languages. Today we are going to talk about PHP, one of the oldest and best programming languages. In this video, we will learn about what is PHP, why is PHP training important, why choose Apex TG India for PHP training, topics we will cover under our PHP training course. The first thing we should know is, what is PHP? PHP is a server-side scripting language that is widely used for web development and business application. The open-source tools and high running speed make PHP one of the most preferred languages for creating interactive websites and web applications. Approximately 70% of website developers use PHP for back-end development. PHP is used among powerful CMS like WordPress and Magento, top-tier websites like Wikipedia and Facebook, and countless other frameworks like Laravel, CodeIgniter, and Symfony. It was created in 1994 by Rasmus Ledorf to manage personal home pages, and now we know PHP as Hypertext Preprocessor. Its diversity of features, an incredible collection of add-ins to increase functionality, open-source nature, and extensive online community support has elevated it to the top spot among newcomers and throughout the globe. Why is PHP training important? PHP is easy to learn and simple to understand programming language. If you want to enter the programming world, then PHP is one of the best choices. Even if you are new to coding, PHP is straightforward to learn. It is one of the most common languages in industries. Companies offer to search for PHP professionals. Therefore, learning PHP is a good career move. You will have a variety of job opportunities to choose from. Following are some of the job posts which you can opt for after the training course in PHP: PHP developer, web developer, WordPress developer, software developer. Why choose Apex TG India for PHP training? Apex TG India Private Limited has a dedicated team of highly expert trainers to identify, evaluate, implement and provide the best PHP training for students. 100% placement support is provided to every candidate after the training to help them land in top IT companies. Apex TG India also places students with sharp records in various IT hubs abroad. After the completion of their training, we provide real-world projects to students in coordination with the IT and development team. Topics we will cover under our PHP training course: Introduction to PHP, handling HTML with PHP, decision and loop, functions, loop, array, working with files and directories, state management, string machine with regular expression, generating images with PHP, database connectivity with MySQL, introduction to OOPS, exception handling, introduction to Ajax. PHP training at Apex TG India lets you gain proficiency in PHP language and its connection to the MySQL database management system. Apex TG India Private Limited is located at E20, Sector 63, Noida. You can call us at 8588889597 or 9990060296. You can also email us your inquiry or any type of query on info@apextgin.com. Please visit apextgin.com for more information about all IT training courses we offer.